Hello, my name is Caroline Lee. I work for ForwardMotion and I'm a bike mechanic, and I'm going to show you how to service your brakes. So we've got V brakes on this bike here, and at the moment when I pull the brake lever, it goes right the way back. So that's not particularly safe. If you were holding the handlebar and wanted to pull the brake, you're going to crush your fingers, or if you had to let go, it's not going to be particularly safe. So we want it to be that when we pull the brake lever, it just goes to there to give you plenty of room for your fingers to be in here. So in order to do this and to balance our brakes, there's two bits of equipment that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm also going to be using a 5mm hex head spanner. Okay, so the first things first, I'm going to take a look at the brake pads, make sure that they are in good working order. So I'm just going to pull that out like so, and that releases it. So this comes out of this cradle. I'll show you once more. That's it back in, comes all the way out and then falls back open, and that lets me look inside here to take a good look at the brake pads, because I don't want to adjust the brakes if the brake pads need replacing, but they are absolutely fine. They've got more wear in there. So I'm going to close them back over like so, and what I'm going to do, using my 5mm spanner, I'm going to pull the cable through a little bit more, and then I'm going to clamp that nut back in place. So now I'm going to take a look, and that's a far better pull I've got on there now. So I've got plenty of room for my fingers, so I can still hold the handlebars, pull my brakes, and I'm not going to squish my fingers. The last job I want to do is make sure that the balance is right. We want both brake blocks coming onto the rim at the same time and then departing at the same time. So if you come to the front of your bike and then look at them, you can see that this brake arm here is doing a lot more work at the moment. It's working harder than this one. So in order to adjust that balance, there's little screws on the side. So I'm going to turn this screw clockwise to increase its pressure, and at the same time on the opposite side, on this screw here, I'm going to go anti-clockwise to decrease its pressure, only by a quarter of a turn. Now I'm going to come back to the front of the bike, I'm going to pull the bar, and I'm going to see if they both move at the same time, and now I'm happy that both of them are coming on and off of the rim nice and balanced. If anything, I'm going to adjust this one out a tiny bit, so anti-clockwise just a tiny bit, and that's them now both coming on and going off. So that's how you adjust your brake cable and balance your brakes. Happy riding, guys.